Hi guys! So today I have another BoxyCharm unboxing. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so right on top I see the card, so it looks like it's kind of a glamping theme. And then the first thing that I'm seeing is an Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer. Let me open it up. Ooh, that looks pretty. So that's that. It looks a little, it might be a little light for me right now. Just based on the pan, it looks a little light, but we can see. And the next thing that I'm seeing are some interesting, so this is what I'm seeing. They're like little bottle packages. That's really cute. So they are raw juice masks, and they are from ESW Beauty. So I have a watermelon one, this is a charcoal and lemon juice one, and then this one is a pineapple, kiwi, pear, and ginger one. And the watermelon one has rose water and grapefruit in it as well. So that's really cool. I've never seen anything like this. So it says for the watermelon one, it's a sheet mask, I guess. I don't know if they are used for different things. Yep, they are. Okay, so the Pink Dream, which is the watermelon one, is moisturizing, and then the pineapple one is a revitalizing, and then the charcoal one is for pore control. It says to cleanse your face and apply toner, apply the mask onto your face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and gently pat remaining essence into your face. And the directions are the same for all of them. So that's really cool. I like getting skincare in my BoxyCharms because I really don't buy it for myself that often. And this allows me to try different brands for pretty cheap. I mean, I would pay $25, which is what I pay for the box, for one product just to try it and see if I like it, and I could hate it. So I really like getting skincare in these, so I'm excited to try those out. So the next thing that I'm seeing is a Butter London palette, the Teddy Boy palette. Let me get it out of the box. Oh, that's really cute. So that's what it looks like. And then, oh yes, those are my colors right there. Some nice cool toned neutrals. They're all named like boys' names, like Freddie, Simon, Mick, Francis, Billy, Nigel, Archie, Graham, and Rupert. That's really cute. And then on the inside it says, "Looking good, darling." That's adorable. So I'm excited to try that out. And I like the packaging too. It's like little doors. It's really cute. And then the next thing that I see is a lip perfector. So it's by the brand Clarins Paris. I've never heard of that brand before. But it says it's Velvet Rosewood Lip Perfector. So this is what it looks like. So it has a little sponge tip. So it says lip perfector, so I'm not really sure if that means it's a lip gloss or lipstick or what. So let's check the card. So yeah, it's a liquid lipstick, and it's a matte finish. And it gives a soft blur effect, it says. And it is formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter to hydrate your lips. So that's really cool. And then the next thing that I see in here is QMS Medi Cosmetics, which I've gotten quite a few products from them in my BoxyCharms. And it says Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. It says it's a lightweight sheer color adaptive cream with vitamins. It blurs imperfections to reveal visibly glowing even skin. You can use it on all types and tones. Interesting. So I wonder, I'm gonna pump a little. It has like a little pump instead of like a little squeezy tube that usually has a twist off cap. I'm gonna put a little on the back of my hand and just, oh. So it's like a tinted moisturizer. And it says it's color adapting, so I'm assuming that's why there's no like shade on it, which is interesting. So I'm just rubbing it into the back of my hand and I wanna see if it actually adapts to my hand. I think it did pretty well. I mean, it's definitely not perfect. You can see like this is where my actual hand is, and then I rubbed it all over the back. So you can see the color difference, but it's not terrible. It would definitely match on my face, I think. And it actually like matches my forearm pretty well. The top of it where it actually gets tan, not the belly where, you know, we're blinding, but that's really cool. Okay. All right, I can get down with that. I love me a tinted moisturizer, as long as they're not too greasy feeling. I have oily skins. Well, I have combination skin, but I do get really, really oily in the center of my face, so I like to be matte. So as long as it's not too greasy and I can set it down with a powder and it'll stay and it'll look matte, then I like them. So really easy to put on. I like to just chuck it on with my fingers. I don't use a brush or anything usually. But yeah, so that's exciting. All right, so let's go ahead and add up the prices of everything so that we can see what the total amount of the box is. Okay, so we'll go through the card and, oh Lord, what? There's no way. So this is worth $105 MSRP. That's what the card says. That's crazy. I kind of want to look that up because that seems extremely expensive, but maybe not. So on their website, so you can order off of the QMS website, it is $105 for the 50 milliliter, which is that size. And then if you wanted 100 milliliters, it's $210. I wonder if they sell it anywhere else. I mean, you can get it on Poshmark for like $20, but I don't see it anywhere else besides like the secondary, I don't know what you want to call them, like secondary selling platforms like Poshmark, eBay, stuff like that. That's really the only other places that I'm seeing it besides their own website. So I mean, if you ordered it from the website, it is that much. So okay, so $105, and then the Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette is $28. And the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector is $26. And the Aesthetica Sunset Bronzer is $24. And the ESW Beauty Cleanse Masks are $18, which actually isn't bad if you get 3. So that's not too bad. It's like $6 each. All right, so that makes the box worth a total of $201, which is definitely a good deal. So I feel like I don't generally explain how BoxyCharm works. I just kind of get into it. So if you are interested, it is a monthly subscription. So the base box is like just the standard box, which is what I get. I don't get like the premium or the luxe boxes, which are an additional cost. So I just get the base box, and that is $25 a month. I think it's like 26 something with tax. But you are guaranteed to get 5 full-size products, and your box is guaranteed to be worth at least $125. So with this month's box, it is definitely over the $125 value. So yeah, so you can just go to BoxyCharm's website. I'm not affiliated with them, I'm not sponsored by them, I don't get sent PR from them. I'm not that famous yet. So I just buy my own, and I like opening them up for you guys, just so that you can see what I get And if you guys actually do get BoxyCharm or you subscribe to it, or if you get any of the other boxes, just drop a comment down below and let me know what you got in your box this month, if it's different. So most of the time people do get different things. I'm not really sure how they like decide who gets what, but I'm pretty happy with what I got in my box. I think it was a good mix of makeup and skincare. It's about half and half, 3 makeup products, and I mean if you count the masks all as one thing, which it is on the card, and the QMS, which is actually makeup and skincare mixed together. So mostly makeup, so that's pretty good. I know there's been kind of some talk about, among other people that get the BoxyCharms, I know that there's been some kind of chatter about BoxyCharm using products that aren't like actually as expensive as the MSRP that they list on the card, and that they give a lot of people mostly skincare when they want makeup. But I got mostly makeup in mine, and I don't mind getting skincare in mine either, like I said, because I don't generally buy it for myself anyways. So yeah, since it is later in the day, it's actually nighttime right now, it's like 9 o'clock. And I've already had my makeup on for the day and everything. I will not be trying it on in today's video like I usually do, but I'll try out pretty much everything that I can tomorrow. Maybe I'll do a mask tonight. And then I will try out all of the other makeup products tomorrow when I get ready, and I will film that for you. It'll be like a little get ready with me. So that video will be up shortly, so that you know how the products perform. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, just leave me a comment down below with what you got in your BoxyCharm if you are subscribed. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye. So today I have another BoxyCharm. If not, then fucking crap. Maybe. Ow, ow, fuck. Okay. I know. Oh, little Odin saying hello. You can't see him. You can't see him. Oh, maybe in here. What I said, you had to be okay with being in here. No whinies. Stop it. Being whiny. So that video will be up. Hey, you wanted to be in here.